Uncle, is this the drink you have every morning?
Yes, very simple. Carrot, tomato, lemon, and water.
People think liver care means medicines and supplements.
No, consistency matters more than anything. Carrot supports digestion, tomato gives natural antioxidants, and lemon helps hydration.
When is the best time to drink this?
For maximum benefits, drink this juice on an empty stomach in the morning. It helps kickstart digestion and liver detox naturally. Just a glass every morning can give your liver the love it deserves. Simple, natural, and effective?